You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of the Prime Minister of Ireland. If you want to learn how to pronounce more Irish names, make sure to stay tuned. I've got more videos for you you'll definitely want to learn from. Micheál Martin. Now, in English, it's often pronounced as Micheál Martin. You can say Micheál Martin. It's easy. And now you know. Like this video, don't forget. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.